All right, let's get you a look at Hurricane Melissa, on track to becoming a major hurricane. This is the 5th hurricane of this 2025 hurricane season, and it looks very healthy. It has a lot of convection. It's moving through some very warm waters. It will rapidly intensify. So here's the latest computer model runs, again, making that track a little out towards the west. Water temperature is over 80 plus degrees. So that's the fuel for this storm to need for it to become a category 2, 3, 4, even on the cusp of a category 5 somewhere as it gets closer to Jamaica. This will be sometime early Monday morning through the evening, and then eventually we'll see it work its way towards Cuba, still maintaining a very strong hurricane strength, working over the eastern half of Cuba, exiting offshore. Could impact the Bahamas, the eastern half there. It will not impact us here directly across Florida or the United States, but eventually it'll weaken as it moves off and into the open Atlantic waters. But this is something that we're going to be watching very closely. And what's going to help it move away from Florida is this cold front right here. We still have to wait a couple more days, but behind it, that'll be that colder air that'll move in just in time for Halloween. So take a look at those Halloween temperatures for the morning, waking up to the mid 50s to low 50s across the Treasure Coast, low 60s, a few upper 50s throughout the Palm Beaches. So that cold front will help steer the storm away. But keep in mind, again, we're still in the hurricane season all the way through the end of November. Here's a look over downtown West Palm Beach, a windy day at that. We have a wind sustained out of the northeast, 21 miles per hour. We had the occasional gust today in the 30s. And with the wind, it's going to help drive these little spotty showers that we do have offshore and quickly over land. So we're going to keep an isolated rain chance in the forecast through this evening. Do have a couple more downpours while offshore. No lightning strikes, so no thunderstorm activity, but some quick movers as we head over the next couple of hours. So if you have any plans to be out and about, you're going to want to keep an umbrella nearby. We do have a spotty shower just off the coast there of northern Palm Beach. So fast forward through the rest of this evening, we'll keep on and off rain in the forecast. Starting you off for your Sunday morning, we can't rule out an isolated shower or two working its way in along the coast. Breezy at times, windy as well. We'll see gusts occasionally in the 30s. As we hit the late evening hours, you could see some extra moisture lingering through the area, so just be on the lookout for that. Monday, though, a little bit on the wetter side. We'll have the influence from a cold front bring in scattered rain and some thunderstorms. So impact weather Monday because of the storm potential there. Tuesday, a couple spotty showers. Then we'll have another cold front, the one that we are looking at that'll really help drop our temperatures as we get closer to your Halloween. Take a look at that by Thursday. We'll see temperatures in the 80s for the highs by Friday, upper 70s as we rebound from a cool start with the upper 50s to mid 50s across the area in the morning. Cool weather for the following weekend.